up, everybody? So excited to be with you guys. If you guys haven't subscribed, please subscribe now. So take a look. See this little sign over here? It says wall side windows. This house got all brand new windows next to me. Here's the story. Deal of the day. Man, this was the deal of the day.
I'm gonna show you how great I am.
5, 4, 3, 2,
It's cold, so I'm gonna go back inside now. So back in the backyard, the missus said, "Hey, honey, do you want to go for a walk?" I said, "Sure, let's go for a walk." So we went for a walk out back, and we got down the alley. We seen all these storm windows. They're old school storm windows, not the metal ones. I'm talking about the thick old wooden ones. So I said, "You know what? We're gonna go ahead and take these." She goes, "What are you gonna do with those?" I said, "We're gonna sell them." She goes, "Honey, they're old. Nobody's gonna want them. They're old screens, huge screens, right? And they're made of wood screens." So I threw them over the fence, put them up online on Facebook Marketplace. Lady calls me. She's like, "Hey, I'd be interested in taking those off your hands for you. How much do you want for each one?" I was like, I don't know, $5 a piece. And she's like, "Okay, deal." She comes over, $180 worth of screens back there. And I'm like, oh my gosh, it was actually 180 something, probably 185 or something like that. So I was like, sweet. So then the other morning I heard, and I'm like, what the heck is that? It's in the morning. So I get up, and the lady next door, where you just seen the sign, she comes to me and says, "Hey, the windows are getting replaced. The other windows, which are wood as well, top and bottom. So it's $10 each window, right? If she gives them to me." She goes, "Do you want them?" I said, "Yeah, I'll take them." She goes, "Okay, do you mind if I put them on the side of your garage?" Take a look at this picture right here. Right here. This is all the windows that they had left for me. They had the strings in them and everything else, which is fine with me. I can just take the strings, because those strings there are from when you push them up, they're weighted, okay? They have a weight on there. Anyways, nonetheless, so she's like, "Yeah, I'll leave them to the side for you." I was like, "Okay, perfect." So I called the lady that took the first ones for $185. I said, "Are you interested in there? There's a few more windows here." And she's like, "Yes, I'll take them all." And I'm like, are you kidding? So that was on Friday. Saturday, which was yesterday, her husband comes knocking at the door, says, "Hey, I'm here," because they had picked up the previous one, so they already knew where I lived. He goes, "I'm here to pick them up." I helped him load them in his minivan, met his son, and I was like, this is score. I didn't even have to leave the house. Didn't even have to do anything. I literally had the back ones, I had to put them from the garbage to around my fence. So I just literally placed them over my fence. So, I mean, there's a couple $100. That is a score. That is the deal of the day on that one specifically. So if you guys have a deal of the day, let me know what you guys had found. Maybe something that was, worth some money to you guys, and you guys end up selling it. I made, I don't know, over $300 just by sitting, didn't do anything other than hey, that could be worth money. So let me know what you guys have picked up in the past. I love you guys. Until next time, thanks for subscribing too. We'll talk to you soon.